Benson on the beat.
We let it all fall, man, what a shame. Looking back as I recall, I'm so appalled cause we had everything. Good and goddamn, I wonder what I'm gonna do. Stupid blunder while I'm sitting with another, all I see is you. Simply wishing we could take things back. Decisions have been made already, too late, it's a wrap. I feel trapped, matter of fact, I feel the walls are caving in. I've been popping on my Prozac and it hasn't done a thing. Nothing's changed cause the pain keeps on flowing through my veins. Can I call this house a home because your memory remains? It's insane, in chains, I can get you out my head. Turn over but I'm all alone, no longer in my bed. Instead, gotta get up with a front up for the day. I can see your lips are moving, but I don't know what to say. To tell the truth, I'm looking through you cause my mind was led astray. I'd wear anybody else's shoes to rid me of this disarray. Shared love, then we took it right back. Push came to shove, and neither one of us would have that. Matter of fact, it was getting so bad. We were going toe to toe, yo, and throwing everything we had at one another, sucker punching for the buzzer. We kinda lost touch. I remember just how much I loved her. Hugged her, you could barely separate. Very rarely not together, hot forever. We communicated, waited too long to propose. Maybe that's where I went wrong, Lord knows. I suppose as the story goes, there ain't no happy ending. People come and people go. Hey, yo, so very unrelenting, venting. I got so much on my chest, pretending it don't bother me. So I'm so depressed. Yes, what's next? Your guess is good as mine. All that's after my regrets, unless I hope you're doing fine. So easy for me to let you in, so hard to let you go. Where do I begin, my dear? Cause I fear that the end is near, and I know. Unfortunately, we clearly weren't meant to be, and so we had to go our separate ways. I love you even though